Welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can create an additional Microsoft Windows user account for your computer, but for which you will select another language. In this account, the system, Windows settings and everything will be shown in another language. For example, the main account is in English, your personal one, and then you create another account in French, let's say. And once you log in to the French account, you will see everything in French, the settings, the controls, the files, everything, and this will have no impact on any of the accounts. So each one of them has a different reflecting language, but has no impact on the other. To do that, simply, if you have Windows 7, 8, 10, or 11, or even 12, go to your search tab and type Control Panel. Click on the Control Panel to open. If you have a view by large icons or small icons, switch to category. Click on Change Account Type. And here we're going to add a new user in PC settings. Click on Other Users, add someone else to this PC. You don't need to have another Microsoft account email address. I don't have this person sign-in information, that's what we will choose. And we'll keep going with the next option. And here you can use a phone number instead or an email address, or you don't have to use any of them. You can just select Add a user without a Microsoft account. Here we will type it Alex French, my name and my account, and click Next. So here I have added an account without any password. Actually, you can choose a password if you want. Here we're going to click Change Account Type, and we want to make sure that this account is administrator. So we'll change from standard to administrator, and we'll click OK. And we'll just close here. And what you want to do, you want to log out and log in to the other account. So let's refresh this one. So you want to log in to the second account so that we can change the language. I will just stop the video here, log out and log into the other account, and I will show you how you can set up the language for the second account. So now guys, what we're going to do, since we logged into the second account, and as you can see, all my files are accessible and I can use them. Now I'm going to change just the user interface language and the Windows language for this specific account without impacting the other English account. So I will click in the search tab and type settings. Let's click on settings to open. And here we want to click or type. You can either type language or you can click on time and language. And here you can click on language on the left. And here you can select the language which you want. If you cannot find the language which you want, just click on add language. Select the concerned language. I want French. You can select whatever language you want. Click next. And click install. You will need to wait few minutes to few seconds until the language is fully downloaded. And once done, click on the language, put it or click on it to up, and then you can remove the other language. Let's say in this case, I will remove the English so that my account just operates in French, but I will leave now both of them. So this second account will operate in French and my initial account will operate in English. You can add another account again with a different language and set up the language for it, and it should not be a problem. And this way, each account will have the interface language different. And here we will click on options and settings, regional format, country or region. I will just put France. You can put whatever country regions you want. Regional format French, okay. Additional date, time, and regional settings. And here we want to set time and date as you want, or if you can also change time and date or number formats. Once done, a restart will be needed, and you will see that the language of that account is showing as you wanted. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.